So recap to ko for today's video guys. Kakauwi ko nga lang galing trabaho at syempre dumaan na muna ako sa 7-Eleven guys para bumili. Here at 7-Eleven, you can buy anything you want. Here in Thailand guys, 7-Eleven is everywhere. And the weather today is quite hot, so I've decided to buy some ice cream for only 49 baht. And I also planning to buy some snacks, guys. And I just realized that my students were giving me some snacks last night. Tapos ko nga palang bumili, guys, sa 7-Eleven. Bay, umuwi agad ako sa apartment, guys, para ipakita ko sa inyo ang binigay ng mga snacks na estudyante ko. Paisip nga pala ako, guys, hindi ko alam kung paano ubusin ang mga ito, guys. My grade 6 students, thank you so much for that wonderful surprise. I'm so sorry, student, because I thought it was a prank. Thank you so much for that wonderful surprise. I will never forget this for the rest of my life.